This is Balaji. Now we're going to see the how to do the ExOr operation in Excel in mobile itself. For that we go to Excel, type Excel and click plus symbol. Plus symbol, click on top of the plus symbol and click the blank worksheet. And actually ExOr means the even number of ones present means even number of ones or even number of zeros means will get false. If odd number of ones, odd number of zeros will get true. Okay, I show that example. I select this cell and type 0. I take two inputs. Okay, two inputs 0 0 and 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 0 and 1 1 1 1. Okay, if I are here, if see here, we taken as this is a first a input and this is b input and this is XOR value XOR. So the first formula for ExOr in Excel is the same, whatever given in the top of this cell. This is the same formula function you can use for ExOr also. So you have to type equal, and type ExOr ExOr and open the bracket and select the first cell a input and select the second cell. Okay, you have second cell and close the bracket and enter. We're getting false here. 0 and 0 will getting both are here even number of zeros. Even number of zeros will get false. Here in this cell a will 0 and b is 1. This is a odd number of zeros and odd number of ones. We getting true. Okay, I drag this cell. So you have to fill it and drag it. We getting. So here see here 0 1. Here 1 is only one time will getting as 1 and 0 is only one time. It's a odd number. Okay, 0 number of zeros is odd and number of 1 is odd. So we'll getting true. Here also number of 1 is 1 and number of zeros is also 1. So it is odd number. We are getting true. Here number of 1 is 2. Okay, that's why we getting even number, though we getting false. So similarly I can do for vertical also. I taken the same formula, type equal and type ExOr open the bracket and select the first cell and drag it and close the bracket. So and enter. Why you getting false here means here 2 zeros and 2 ones. This is 2 zeros and 2 ones. Both are in even number. So we getting false. So I drag it. So here why getting false? Here false is true 2 times and true also 2 times. So we getting false here. I change this into this value, a value into 1. I change this value is 1. So we're getting true here. Okay, only the 0 is one time we're getting, 1 is we're getting 3 times. So we're getting true. Here normally 2 ones and 2 zeros. So we're getting false. So here 0 0 we're getting here true. So we're getting here 3 true. So we're getting here true. So again changing here 1. So I will enter. We're getting all the values true. So here but here we're getting false. So for that I take do all are 1. I change this all are 1. So we will get all are false. Because of odd I change this into all are 0. Because of even number of ones and even number of zeros we getting false. So we getting false here and here is 0 and here also 0 0 0. So getting false again. Okay, if because of even number of zeros will getting. If I change that is 1, any 1 1 and here is any 1. So we getting this vertical we getting true here because of only 1 1. even number of ones and even number of zeros. Here also 1 1, but here we getting 2 zeros, we getting false. Here 2 ones, we getting false. Here 0 0 2 zeros, it also false. Here 2 0 2 false. All are false, we getting false. So here, so this is our ExOr operation we can do in mobile itself. Thank you.